Feeling so lost, I'm feeling so torn away from all these feelings. Don't know what to say to you, and I don't know what to say. Oh no, what you're hot, I want that key. I want how everything used to be, and I want for us to be together, and I want for us to be forever. Oh, and and I'm feeling so lonely and I'm feeling sad. The empty space between my fingers with yours seemed to fit so perfectly, like puzzle pieces put together. We were meant to be, and my mind doesn't quite know what to say, but my heart says everything will be okay. And I love the cuddles, I love when you scratch my head, and I love your colors even when nothing is ever said. And I love you till I'm dead, oh, and I am with my last breath. I take this photo of you and look into your eyes, waiting for you to bring me back to life. And once again I sing these words as look into your eyes as you stare straight back in mine. No world, no universe, it's just me and her. And I will always love you.